Good morning. Welcome and come on into this video with me. Truly, we're here together. Imagine us practicing together. And we get to do it here in this beautiful rainforest, in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful land. So wherever you are, take a moment to just acknowledge the place that you're in, whatever piece feels good for you. And thank you for coming into this as your morning routine, or just trying to tune into what you would like to have for your mornings so that you choose with intention how you want to start. So breathe deeply with me. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose and out through the nose. Maybe you're in bed. Gently listen to your body. I've intuitively started to just give myself some gentle neck movement, maybe some side to side, always with gentle and care, breathing in through the nose. That's right. Let go of the busy mind, any thoughts, any to-dos. This is your morning. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale out with a sigh. Maybe you want to introduce a little bit of soft shaking, moving the hands, moving the legs, moving the bum, just some soft, gentle movements. If you're in bed, just some wiggling. Maybe it feels a little silly. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Come into your stillness again. Breathe in. Gently maybe start to engage with your shoulders. If your eyes are closed and you're tuned in between the eyebrows, resting the optic gaze, the eyes. Just maybe, even if you're in bed, gently engaging. Yes, Mr. Crow. Gently engaging with our shoulders and bringing balance by, if we're doing backwards motion, we're going to do forwards motion. We're searching for our yin yang, our balance of energy in the body. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. And maybe you want to bring your arms out to the side and bring one arm in for a squeeze, stretching those shoulders. If you're standing, I generally sway. You can bring gentle movement in. That's a nice introduction for the hips, the legs. And if you're in bed, feeling static, remember you're breathing, you're not static. So breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. And then gently switch arms. Allow yourself to make sound, maybe some sighs or some hums. Maybe you need to yip, yip. Maybe you need to make some louder sounds because you have a lot of energy or excitement. Breathe in through the nose. That's right. And now with your ankles, if you're in bed, just maybe rolling them. You can engage with the blanket with your toe. If you're on the ground, just keep that toe connected to the ground, rolling in one direction. Breathe in through the nose. And through the alternate direction. Yeah, let the body click, clack, make any sounds it needs to. Nice, slow, mindful movement. And switch ankles if you're not doing them at the same time. Inhale. Listen to the birds singing, the gentle hum of water. forest breathing with you, nice and slow, inhaling, letting the nervous system know that we're safe. Now the hands, let's pay attention to these hands today. Just bringing our fingers out and stretching them and really imagining yourself bringing them in and tightening and extending them long and breathing them in. Really engage with all the fingers. If you want, you can put them together and just do a soft massage, rubbing back and forth with the hands. Let the knuckles clickety clack. Breathe in through the nose. We're almost there. Almost there to a beautiful day that we're starting with love and tenderness for the body. And if you're still laying down, maybe gently rolling to the side and in your own time, gently sitting up. And let's start to pat the body. You can pat it intuitively how it feels, all the way down into the legs, along the belly, gentle patting, waking up the body, bringing this energy all throughout. On equalness on the sides. Breathe in nice and slow, gentle. Gently come to a finish and relax yourself. Breathe now deeply and try and imagine the bottom pelvic floor, the bottom part of your pelvis, breathing into that space. So imagine the air going there, even if it's physically not. Imagine it is. Inhale nice and slow. Exhale and release. Inhale again, nice and slow into the pelvis. Exhale, release. That root chakra, the sacral, the solar plexus, breathing into that energy center, that connection. Now this time, inhaling along the sides of the ribs, imagining them expanding as well. Exhaling out. Let the sounds out. Allow any kind of moaning, any kind of sounds, groaning. It's all welcome. Vibrate it out. Inhale. Exhale. This time into the shallowest part, into the chest. Breathe deeply into that chest. Stick out that heart center. Release it out. Inhale again. And release. This time placing your hands anywhere over that mid-body. Breathe into all three areas. We can do this. Fill up the pelvis, the ribs, the chest. Imagine it. Breathe in here. As big as you can. More breath. And exhale. Relax the face. Relax the jaw. Breathe deeply. Fill it up. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. If your eyes were closed, gently opening them. Bring your hands together. Let's rub. And if you can, rub your feet together as well. Let's wake up the brain. Let's wake up the body. Some nice energy. This is coffee for the brain. Yeah. And come to a close. We're going to chant Om. O-M. Whatever sound you make is good. Take a nice deep inhale. Inhale and hold. Release. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day. If you like this morning practice and you want to practice more with me, my name's Samantha Christofferson, and you can find me on my Insight Timer profile. There's links in my bio, so come and practice if you wish.